Hello, it's Lee from West Country Cleaning Equipment, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your new Ehrle pressure washer. All Ehrle hot water pressure washers also benefit from a foot operated foot brake that's on both sides of the axle, and it's easily operated by foot like so. So things we need to check that we've done already are, we've put some nice clean fuel inside the fuel tank. We've got our detergent tank filled up with our favourite traffic film remover or detergent. Next, we're going to connect our water supply onto the machine. Plug the machine into a suitable socket. So now we're ready to get some cleaning done. So first of all, we're going to select chemical on. It's sucking straight out of the tank. We're going to select around about 60 or 70 degrees on the thermostat. We're going to squeeze the trigger to release any pressure and then straight round to burn. Okay, so we've applied the chemical to the vehicle and we've left it to dwell on there for around 4 or 5 minutes. Now we're going to rinse off using cold water only. If you use hot water to rinse off a vehicle when you've been using chemical, it will reactivate the chemical again. So always rinse off your vehicle using cold water only. Okay, so on completion of cleaning, all we need to do now, if you've been using the machine in a hot mode, is just cool it down for 30 seconds or so, and this can be done by simply turning off the burner and operating the machine. So this has been Lee from West Country Cleaning Equipment, and this is the better way to clean.